Rebecca and Ryan, today we are gathered to celebrate the love that you have found in each other and to support the commitment that you are about to make. Marriage is not just about standing here and making vows or exchanging rings. It is a promise that lasts well beyond this day. It is a daily practice of patience, love, and persistence, and partnership. Part of marriage is finding joy, seek the good, the fun, the beautiful moments that life has to offer, and choose to share them with each other. Part of being married is being flexible. Within your life, cultivate patience and understanding, and hopefully a dose of humor to help make that easier. And a part of marriage is companionship, comfort one another, forgive each other, find strength in differences. Let love be your guide. Through challenges and changes, it will help you grow as individuals and as a team. Today is not the beginning of a story. It is the continuation of a partnership that you have already built. Within marriage, you are honoring the life. With this marriage, you are honoring the life that you have created together and choosing to step into the future with love and intention. Today, surrounded by those who cherish you most, your commitment will be made visible. It will be recognized and celebrated and held by your community. Guests, Rebecca and Ryan have chosen to make a commitment surrounded by people that they love the most. They are especially grateful for their families, for the love, the guidance, and support that you have lent them that has led them to this moment today. They recognize how meaningful you are here today. Whether you have come just down the road or all the way across the country, your presence is a testament to your support that surrounds them and makes this marriage possible. As they begin this new chapter, they ask for your continued encouragement and support. In that spirit, join me in affirming your support for this couple. Please repeat after me. We promise to support your marriage. To lift you up with love. And to walk beside you in friendship and joy in the years ahead. Now, Ryan's sister, Casey, will share a reading. Yeah. Right at the mic.
This is I Carry Your Heart With Me by E.E. Cummings. Nope, no cheating. I carry your heart with me, I carry it in my heart. I am never without it. Anywhere I go, you go, my dear, and whatever is done by only me is your doing, my darling. I fear no fate, for you are my fate, my sweet. I want no world, for beautiful you are my world, my true, and it's you are whatever a moon has always meant, and whatever a sun will always sing is you. Here is the deepest secret nobody knows. Here is the root of the root, and the bud of the bud, and the sky of a tree called life, which grows higher than soul can hope or mind can hide. And this is the wonder that keeps the stars apart. I carry your heart, I carry it in my heart.
Thank you. Now Rebecca's Aunt Mary will share a reading.
For Rebecca and Ryan, The Art of Marriage by Wilford A. Peterson. The little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is at no time taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon. It should continue through all the years. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is not expecting the husband to wear a halo or the wife to have the wings of an angel. It is not looking for perfection in each other. It is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. It is having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere where each can grow. It is finding room for the things of the spirit. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is establishing a relationship in which the independence is equal, dependence is mutual, and the obligation is reciprocal. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
Thank you. Rebecca and Ryan will now exchange a few words they've written for one another. Ryan?
Oh. Rebecca, I love you more than anything. Already. I love you more than anything. And I think the world of you. And my first vow is that will never change. You are and always will be my favorite person. And I will never think any less than the world of you, no matter what. I promise that I will always be the person that you can go to with any problem. And we'll figure out how to handle any difficulties that are thrown our way. I vow to always hold you in my heart and in my mind as an equal. I will always truly listen to your thoughts and your opinions with a sincere goal to understand your perspective. I will always enter conversations being open to and admitting when I'm wrong. I vow to always be honest with you, but never judgmental. I vow to always find everything you do that you might believe to be annoying or weird or embarrassing to be endearing and wonderful and what makes you you. Lastly, I vow to always be on your side, to be your team in life, mate in life, and to always work together with you to ensure that we do our best to fulfill our ambitions and live happily and work together to grow to be the best us that we can be.
Rebecca, you have vows to share.
Ryan printed his out to make me feel better, but he didn't look at them at all. But I will be reading from my paper. ago, I was telling my family and friends about my work crush. The guy with really nice arms, who was super kind and was basically my best friend. 3 years ago, I got to tell them that we were getting married. Since then, we have stood by each other through everything life has brought, literally crossing rivers, mountains, and hundreds of miles to be together. When you found out you were moving to pursue your dream of becoming a PhD, we had only been dating for 10 months, and I remember being afraid that the distance and those rivers and mountains and miles would pull us apart. But we proved me wrong. So wrong. Our love didn't just last, it grew. Even in the space between us, the universe kept pulling me back to you. Through distance, through disagreements, through every challenge, we grew through it. We grew with and for each other. So, my love, today, I vow to keep growing with you. I vow to be both your challenger and your biggest fan, to listen when you need to vent and offer guidance when you need a hand. No matter the time, the distance, or barrier, I promise to always be an ear to hear, a voice to comfort you, and a soul to stand united with you on our life's journey. I promise to cherish the moments we share, big and small, whether we're doing puzzles or climbing mountains. I vow to never take those moments for granted, because through all of the grand and the mundane, you make me smile. You make me confident. You make me feel like we are more than just Rebecca and Ryan. And I vow to do that for you too. We are an embodiment of love, the kind that lifts us up and reaches the people around us who love and root for us. I am so grateful, so lucky that the universe brought us together when it did, and I'm beyond happy that in just a few moments that I get to call you my husband.
We have heard your loving words. We have witnessed your loving actions, your love between yourselves. Are you ready to make this official? They said, let's do this. May I have Ryan's ring? It will be in a moment. Ryan, please place this ring on Rebecca's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Our strength together.
And
my promise to learn and grow with you.
my promise to learn and grow with you.
May I have Rebecca's ring? Rebecca, please place this ring on Ryan's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Our strength together.
And
my promise to learn and grow with you.
And my promise to learn and grow with you.
Ryan, do you take Rebecca Packard to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, so long as you both shall live?
Absolutely, I do.
Rebecca, do you take Ryan Robb to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Rebecca and Ryan have come here today of their own free will, and in the presence of your family and friends, you have declared your love and your commitment to each other by the power vested in me by this beautiful universe and the state of Ohio. I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Oh, sure. Forgot where we were.
Please enjoy the hospitality of the bar and the reception. Hawkins?
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. With song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.